So I came to Insight 3 years ago. Reason I came to Isha Insight was that I don't have a business background, and I had just started my startup with Chetan, my husband, and my co-founder. So I thought this course might help us give a little bit understanding of how businesses are done. So when we came here as a participant, I first came in 2017. I understood 2-3 important stuff, that has changed the way I have led business in the past 3 years. So one thing which we both learned and we've applied and successfully we are seeing the results is that have a purpose for your business which is larger than yourself. Let it be larger than your life. And that's where that moment and that day we changed the way, we approached Repos. Second thing we thought, now let's learn how to operate businesses, how to get the structure, monitoring and all. And we were really amused when, Sadhguru and few of the leaders who said the one important thing that businesses don't run on monitoring. So that's where, we said that let's build an organism and not an organization. And trust me, it's working wonders with us. Being a startup, we were just 2 people at that time when we started. Now I think we are 250 plus people in Repos today. One third important thing that we learned was about personal professional life. All entrepreneurs are, stuck with that. How do I maintain a personal professional life balance? And I think when we came here, there's one thing we understood. There is no personal professional life. There is just one life and you have to live it. Business is a part of it. What you're doing for people, working is a part of it. And we understood that there is more to business. There's more to your company than earning profits, than the top line, bottom line. There's something, which drives us. And I think today we start our day at 7 o'clock in the office. We ended at 12 with the same energy. And I don't think we're frustrated because we are giving a life for professional, no personal life. No, I don't think there's anything like that. Because that's what you learn here. At Insight, we've learned what I think, and a lot of people tell us that they don't teach you in normal business schools. They're teaching something here which is about leading your business in your life. And more important, I've become very patient as a person, patient in dealing with situations, very aware on handling problems, handling obstacles in business. And what we learned here was the Upayoga. We learned Shambhavi, Mahamudra, we went through the inner engineering course. And I think that calmness which is there, even if there is a upsurge movement in the business, when there's a problem, where there is something which needs an immediate attention, we are calm. I think this wouldn't have happened if I wouldn't have come here. So more than, if I talk about business, as a person internally, I have developed. And that has made me more capable in leading Repos. And trust me, I can vouch for it. Repos is where it is today because me and Chetan one day attended the Isha Insight in 2017. So I think more than business, it's about teaching you how to lead your life.